Good hello, welcome to Willpower Recap. This is the Mega Key, one of the big treasures that you collect after defeating like a boss to get to one of the next big worlds. It's much larger than all the others, much fancier, and it animates like this. It sort of rotates a bit with a bit of a shine. I'm not completely sold on it yet. I may come back and revisit it soon, particularly because the top half is crazy smooth to the point where it almost looks three-dimensional, and the bottom half is very crude, where it's so obvious that it's frame by frame that it's probably just a little bit too wobbly. So I may have to come back and re-engineer a way to do this one where it's sort of tweened around rather than improvised and drawn. Or maybe trace over this one frame by frame, so sort of rough it up a little. Funny how the deliberately crude and cartoony style sometimes actually causes things to take longer, because things that are generated and tweened are a little bit too clinical and smooth. How this one's done is it's sort of three-dimensional, but not really. I'll show you what I mean. In perspective view, two-dimensional objects stacked on top of each other. That rotate from above like this. You can see they sort of skew and rotate in front of each other, and it creates a pseudo 3D effect, especially when I went in frame by frame and drew these seams in for each one. So if I go to that layer here, you can see in drawing view how it is just sort of just pencil strokes like that. Well, there's a couple of frames where it's probably gotten missed, but oh yeah, it's just not very necessary. Yeah, there we go. The shine on top, it is just two rectangles that are masked into the shape, nothing too fancy there. But that's it. The Mega Key, one of just the oldest items from the very conceivement of the idea years and years ago, finally realized, which is rather exciting, but still not quite polished. It needs probably a little bit more work to go, but hey, it's there now. It can go into the prototype, which is just thrilling. Come back next time for some proper animation. Proper animation. There's been so many asset parts and doing singular drawings of bricks and things or tweening stuff together. It's been so long since I've done actual proper frame by frame movement. I'm talking about cutscenes. Yeah.